All right, guys, welcome back to our last and final day on Green Bay. This video is gonna kind of be a long one. You may wanna skip around a little bit, but I promise you, you're gonna wanna stick around to the end. Unfortunately, this video, story of my life, did not come without GoPro and camera issues, but did the best that I could under the circumstances. But again, promise you, you guys are gonna wanna stick around to the end of the video, and we'll see you right back here to kind of talk about everything. Hope you guys enjoy.
There we go.
Fish?
Yeah. That's small.
Oh. Okay, it decided to grow.
Yeah. Look up. That was a funny bite because my rip and wrap was all fouled up.
Oh, really?
And I made a couple pumps to try and fix it.
Oh, and then he smoked it?
And then he smoked it.
Oh, there you go. Walleye. Are you fucking kidding me? Wrap?
Yeah. All right.
Work, dude.
On the board.
Mushy or... Oh, you said you were
Mushy.
getting on fuck to hit it.
Just a little guy. But we're on the board. The sun is at the worst possible angle. Goby guy. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. DJ's hooked up. Scuts putts. Pinned it down to bottom.
Yeah. Little Juan.
His name was Juan.
Oh, boy.
Uh-oh.
He might be fouled. I don't think he's that big. Still felt cool.
No, that was a head shake. Yeah. Scoop.
Better. Dang, right underneath the chin, dude.
Tickly shad.
Tickly shad.
The ticklest shad that there ever. Uh-oh.
Oh, dubs.
We're dubs. Here, leave them in the water. I'll throw mine in there too. Okay, I think it's time to get the other camera going. The spot lock and see. God, he's shaking his head. That's small. I can't. I'm going blind.
I know. Me too.
Double. Did my rip and wrap just make the most giant mess of all time?
It was kind of a wreck.
Yeah. So let me take a peek at what we've got. Oh. All right. Well, that's a fun little double. DJ's got me beat. The warts on this thing are absolutely horrendous. 23, give it. Maybe 24. Probably more like 24. One last log. Double.
Fish bump.
Ooh. Good morning. You see those warts?
See the warty.
Oh God, you're disgusting. Look at it.
Don't do that. Okay. Classic.
Yep. Tiny.
Here's my next question. But you answered it for me.
That one like scared me. The bite was so good.
Dusted it. You weren't ready?
Probably one of the smallest walleyes of the trip, besides the perch. Just switched up to that Kalen's Tickle Shad Arkansas Shiner. Can I get that back, bro?
The what? Oh.
Jig, yeah, just take the blade bait off. There he is.
There you go, Brian.
That one's big.
Bigger fish?
Big-ish.
Big fish.
Nope, not big at all.
That's alright. Tug is a jug. Harrigan?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hairy.
Look at all those fish on the right, left side.
Shit.
Wow.
Suckers. That hair bite is fun.
Are you stroking or
Stroh shining. Stroh shining, man, he's excited. Dude, I want a big one. Look at that. What did I just say?
And you caught a big one. What are the odds?
Please be in the mouth. Oh, DJ, giant, dude. That's big. Like this is a tank. Like
It's a big
big, big. That bait never hit the bottom. Hey, do you have line out? Go reel it in. You're good. We got time. Please be in the mouth.
Oh boy, Brian.
I don't know if it's in the mouth.
I'm excited to see the fish. Come on, baby.
He's just, I haven't really felt like a head shake.
Doesn't know it's stuck yet. So big. Where's the leader?
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
There's that. What's it doing?
Here, dude, you're good. Maybe it's a muskie. Or a sturgeon.
I'm here for whatever.
Or a 15-pounder.
Right? Come on, let me see that leader.
Or it's something in the tail and I'm dragging him backwards.
Right, yeah.
I have a sneaking suspicion that's what's going on.
Wow.
It's gotta be a sturgeon.
Just like a brick. Is that motor off?
Definitely not a walleye, I can tell you that much. It's a ski or a sturgeon.
Oh, cool.
Wish I had live scope down. I want the hair jig back and I want to see what it is.
I just want to see it, yeah, for sure. I haven't even seen leader yet.
Here, dude. Well, I'll let you know when he gets close. Don't worry. You don't have. I wouldn't hang out with the net. Make a big spectacle.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a walleye, but.
Okay, there it is. I just want to see the guy.
I'm shaking.
Are you? Come on, baby.
He can't even move it.
Wow.
26-pound walleye.
Right. Whoa. Whoa.
That's bad.
You need to move.
I think it's a sturgeon.
I've never seen one in person, so that'd be cool.
What?
Never give up.
What is happening? If it's a muskie, it's the coldest, laziest muskie, but I think it's a sturgeon.
Yeah, aren't muskies, they kind of go on the big run.
Dude, my arm hurts so bad right now. Oh my God, it's burning. Should we just sit here like this and just...
Oh, yeah. Might be time. I was wrong about that, what I said.
Dude, I literally can't even move the fish. I'm kind of over it at this point. I just want the jig back. I don't want to keep fishing. That should be a cool clip. I want to catch a giant. Boom!
Literally, as soon as you finish that sentence.
Not a giant sturgeon. I want to catch a giant walleye.
Yeah.
I'm just going to chase him around. Because whatever it is, it ain't getting in that net.
Yeah, right. Yeah. We need one of those big, like the big basket nets.
Yeah, a fike net.
Yeah.
All right, buddy, come on.
My phone must be cold.
Why?
It's slow to react when I click on stuff.
I cannot get him off the bottom, so it's definitely a sturgeon. I'm over it. Oh, I see him on side imaging. Look at side imaging.
I see it too.
That's him.
That's hilarious.
It might be a muskie though.
Yeah,
Doesn't that kind of look like a muskie?
yeah, dude. That'd be a cool double, huh?
I'm gonna go to the back. I'm gonna fight it from the back of the boat.
Yeah.
I think it's a 12-pound leader, so could be worse. Could be an 8-pound leader. I'm trying to put a little tension on it to lift the fish, and I just can't.
It's like catching big blues at home. You just can't, pull them up.
Well, it's a 7'3" medium light spinning rod.
Wow.
I see him on side imaging again. Whatever it is fucking huge. This is feeling like it's something in the like 50 to 100 pound range. Oh my, dude, look at that mark on side imaging again. That long black line.
Did you say 50 to 100 pound range?
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel like if it was a muskie, he would have like zzz. But I don't know.
Yeah, he'll make epic runs. This guy has he's just digging.
He won't get off the bottom.
Yeah.
He's off the bottom now. Look at that. See him right there? In the water column? In the black? On your screen. That long line, yeah, that's him.
Remember 8 minutes ago when I was holding the net for you?
Yeah. He's just annoyed. He wants to go, so I gotta go with him. It's coming in. DJ.
Coming in?
Yeah. For now. Yep, here it comes. Here it comes.
Holy shit.
Oh, it's coming. Oh my God, dude. It's in the fucking mouth, too.
Where's my phone?
Dude, what the? No way.
I don't know where my phone went, dude. He piss missiled himself right in the boat.
Yeah. That's what we saw jump earlier. Was a sturgeon. Did you? Dude, it's in the mouth.
That's crazy.
I wish Ben didn't have clients so he could come help me with this. That was insane.
That was crazy.
That was insane.
That's a 5 foot long fish.
Oh, it's 6 foot long. It's bigger than that. That scared the shit out of me.
Me too.
Oh, that was scary. Do you see that?
Oh, I did see that.
And kicked the line. Look at those bubbles. Look at those bubbles that she's... I think it's about to happen. I don't know. I haven't seen bubbles till the last couple minutes here. I'm shaking so bad.
You've got a big wand.
Kicking my ass, dude. That fish is over 100 pounds.
Easily.
Like,
easily.
like, how? I don't even know. I don't even know how, like 200 pounds? No.
Probably like 120, 130.
Fuck, dude.
It's a 6 foot long fish.
Yeah. And wide.
Yeah.
Like, that thing was like this wide. I wonder how many other people would have cut their line by now. Well, no, I mean, the worst part is like their mouth is on the bottom of their head.
Yeah.
So how long do you think it's been?
It's been
40 minutes?
40 minutes?
30, you think?
Yeah,
40?
that's what I was saying, man. I can't wait to check these timestamps.
I honestly, God, I just want to start like putting the screws to her and whatever happens, happens. Yeah, try to, but I don't want to break the rod because then I'm really fucked. See those bubbles?
Did you plan on working out today or no?
I'll never work out again in my life. Oh my God, dude, I can't even move my arms, body. This might be it.
that rod, man. That is insane.
I want to get her up so that people can see that this sturgeon ate the hair jig. Like this is not, it's not snagged. Does it look like I'm gaining?
Dude, no.
Or is that like, am I just lifting? I gotta.
You lift an inch, she takes a foot.
Yeah.
Yep, straight back down. There we go. Maybe you're getting somewhere.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
This is it.
She should just roll over. Oh, there's leader. Oh my God.
Oh my God, DJ, there she is. Look at
Bring
how
her up, bring her up.
in.
Come on. Another foot. Oh boy.
Oh my God, DJ. Oh my God.
There's leader.
Can you see her?
No, I can't see her on the phone yet. Yeah, I can just see color.
I think dead, like dead, honestly.
Here we go. Here's the shot. Here's the shot. Here's the shot.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's why it's so hard to reel. Okay. All right, help me out here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
She's not gonna lay on her side. Just be done filming, grab the...
Can I keep filming that though?
Yeah.
The hair jig right there in the mouth. All right, you ready for me to grab the...
I just want her on my lap. Can you help me get it on my lap?
Yeah, yeah.
You want to sit down off the box up there? If you can. That's all I got for you. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. You good? Yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay.
Oh my God.
What the f just happened? I don't even know what to say. I can't even like lift her tail anymore. My arm is so done.
We had,
Dinosaur.
what, 45 minutes? Hour
45
5?
minutes, almost an hour. Oh my God. All right, guys. Well, this is the most insane, most epic battle of my whole life. I don't even know what to say. 72-inch lake sturgeon out here on Green Bay, or just right outside of the Peshtigo. Unbelievable. It's gonna take both of us to release her, so we're not gonna get that, but I think this video is probably done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Fox River Rods for making the best rod out there. It's unbelievable. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed editing it. I know the camera sucks, like I said before in the night trolling video. For some reason, my GoPro switched from fisheye mode to linear mode, and I just never knew about it, but that's kind of one of the things you deal with a touchscreen when it's on your head and you can't see it. But that was, I mean, far and away the most insane, epic battle I will probably ever experience in freshwater fishing in my entire life. So that sturgeon measured 72 inches. We had a 60-inch tape, so it was 60 inches from the nose to the beginning of its tail, and then it had a 12-inch tail. So we did a little bit of research. That fish is estimated probably between 115 and 125 pounds conservatively, just absolutely insane. But if you guys know anything about lake sturgeon, I mean, that fish was probably close to maybe 70 or 80 years old, maybe a little bit older, maybe 100 years old. Considering that fish was in Lake Michigan, I would definitely put it in the upper echelon of like 90 to 100 years old. But if you guys have a better idea, leave a comment down below and let me know. But I think the most epic part about the whole thing is that it was caught on this setup right here, a 7'3" medium light Fox River rod, 2000 size spinning reel, 10-pound braid to a 12-pound leader, and this hair jig right here in its mouth. Obviously did not put the entire fight in the video because that video would have been an hour long. That's exactly how long I thought it was, just under an hour. And it is now 3 days after that, 3.5, 4 days after that fish, and my body is still incredibly sore. Now that may be due to getting 14 hours of sleep cumulatively over the course of 5 days and fishing hard for that whole 5 days. But even after just seeing that footage, I still am just at a loss for words. That's gotta be some sort of line class class record too. I'm gonna maybe do a little bit of research into that and see if I can get myself a line class record for that sturgeon, because that was just an epic battle. Like I said before, probably a freshwater battle that I will never experience again in my life. So all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the Green Bay videos. I had an amazing time, got a new personal best, gonna have a replica done of that 30.5 incher. Didn't quite hit the weight, but obviously a memorable fish that I wanna preserve forever. Already got plans to head back up to Green Bay with my dad in August, except we're gonna be on the east side of Green Bay up in Door County for walleye fishing. And then we've already got our April trip planned for 2024. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for sticking around if you made it this far, and we will see you guys on the next video.